Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to insert a record in MySQL using PHPMyAdmin and SAMP. Before we start with this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. In my desktop, I'm using SAMP. We will double click the SAMP control panel, and then here in your SAMP control panel, click the start button, Apache and MySQL. We have to, once the services is already running, all we need to do is minimize, open our browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. Here we simply type localhost PHPMyAdmin. Let us wait for a while our PHPMyAdmin is loading in our browser. Okay, so here we have your several tables, a database rather, and then here we select a database, and then we will create one. Let's say for example demo, and then the database name is demo, and then click the create button. Okay, so as we can see, we have already the database demo, and then the next step that we will do is simply create a table. Let's say for example our table name is user, and then we have here, for demonstration purposes, we have 3 columns. Click go button, okay, so here we will create the fields in our table user on our database name demo. Let's say for example ID, and then here we have here the length of 10. Let us move here. We'll check this one, AI or auto increment. This will be our primary key. Click the go button, and then we have here, let's say for example name, and then follow up by age. So here in our name we can have varchar. Let's say the length of our varchar is only 100, and then our age is int, we have 3, the length is 3, and then click the save button. It will create the table user. Okay, we have already the table user, and then we have here the table structure, int, type integer, auto increment. This will act as our primary key, and then we have here name, which has variable character length of 100, and then age is 3. So to add new record, we simply go to insert in our PHPMyAdmin, and then for example we will skip the ID because it will be auto generated by MySQL. Let's say for example name Jake Pomperada, my age right now is 41, and then another example, my wife Maria Jonali Pomperada, her age is 48, and then we simply go to go button to save the two records. See, as we can clearly see, two rows inserted, row ID is 2. So if we will go to browse, we have two records. ID 1, Jake Pomperada, yours truly, age 41. And then my wife ID is auto-generated Maria Junali Pomperada, age 48. If we issue an SQL command, we simply type select asterisk. For example, we want only name and age from, okay, to make it safe, asterisk all field from users. Okay, and click. Okay, what we'll do in this query, we select all fields from the table user. Click the go button, and then it will display the two records of myself and my wife, and including our age. Okay, so inserting a new record in our MySQL database using PHPMyAdmin is very easy and fun also. This is the end of our video tutorial on how to insert records using PHPMyAdmin in MySQL. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.